Hello, everybody. So I finally got my Spellbinders kit and Caboodle. I don't... Seemed like it took a long time this month. I don't know, like... The month is zooming by, but this didn't. I don't know. So, the wax seal of the month. Most wonderful time of the year. Season of Wonder, it's called. And look, 2 colors. So this is kind of the expected Christmas, right? The red, white, green, and gold. But, wow, look at that. This is the autumn. This is the Christmas. And that autumn is beautiful. I mean, the red is even... It's a different red. It's not the same red. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Our foil is... I don't know, does it have a name? I thought it usually did. Speckled Aura. Aura or Aura. One of those. Let me pull it out for you. And I'm gonna do a quick thing. Let's tap this tape. Boy, these scissors are so bad. These scissors need to either go in the trash or maybe I need to try to find a way to sharpen them. And what I'm going to do is get some white paper just so you have an idea maybe of what this would look like. Is we grab some white paper. We get a little tape pen and we're just gonna do this. Something seems to be missing here. I don't know. Okay, there we go. Good enough. Go in the trash now. When you put this down, like this is going to give you an idea what it looks like on. So, let me get more on here. So wherever it's not covered with the foil, it's going to still be sticky. So you want to come back and cover it with foil. Like that. And that. And there, I think I got it all covered. But now you can see what it really looks like on paper. Nice, right? Okay. Because you can use these foils with all kinds of stuff. If it's sticky, it works. It's like the counting things, but not so messy. So Better Press, and Better Press is the one where you ink it up, right, and send it through. And so this is where it says delivering furry wishes and penguin kisses. That's cute. Hope your day is full of cozy toes and warm wishes. Sending you fuzzy feelings and festive cheer. Hope your holidays sparkle with joy and happiness. Stencils, bubbles, and festive background. This looks like a good one. We're going to have to do this. The baubles. The baubles look really good. I like the look. So then this will go, oh yeah. So these are the other baubles. And then this will go on top of all of them. This would be your gold or silver or, that doesn't match up. So that must not be right. That's not it. There we go. Just like that. I did think this one would go before the hoops, but the hoops are on that one. So I don't know. But there we go. And then we have these that line up on each other. So those are very nice. This is a better press. That was a better press, right? Better press. Hot foils beautifully, okay. So, better press, better press. Huh. Okay, so we got the sentiments here and we got this. This is a build plaid. I think it's going to be a hard thing to do. I'm not positive, but it could be. Okay. And then we have the glimmer. Look at that. Look at those lights. Merry Christmas. Look at the lights. Huh. Okay. And then we have the clear Stampin' Die. And Holiday Besties. Aren't they cute? They're together. They're one stamp. But you could just use one if you wanted. Merry everything and happy always. Warmest wishes for a wonderful Christmas, filled with love and laughter. Sending you warm wishes wrapped in holiday cheer. Wishing you a sprinkle of Christmas magic. Sweet winter wishes. So there we have it. Merry and bright cloche clock. Cloak. I don't know, but anyways. And their example is there's a tree inside of what I would call a snow globe. So, there we go. Then we have Festive Friends. This is Small Die of the Month. And look, oh look how cute. The little lights around him. That's adorable. That little penguin. He is the cutest thing. Okay. Cozy Toes Slippers. A Santa. It looks like a rabbit and a pig. It's a rabbit, a penguin, a reindeer, a Santa, I think you could still do a big. And then we have the embossing folders. We have checkered argyle. And, oh, this one. Oh, this one's pretty. Joyful candy canes. Oh my goodness, this one is so pretty. All right, so that is the kit in Caboodle for this month. And I think the first thing we're gonna do is gonna be this, maybe with the holiday besties, or, oh, we'll see. I don't know yet, but I do want to do these, very much so. All right, everybody, if you like my video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you join me again. Bye-bye now.